About a month ago, I swapped the halogen low beams on my GX470 for LED bulbs, and the difference was awesome. It made such a difference, in fact, that the high beams that came from the factory seemed downright pointless now. So I decided it was time to change that and upgrade it with some LED bulbs as well. And thankfully, it's even simpler to switch out the high beams than it was to switch the low beams. The only tool that you need is a flathead screwdriver or something similar to remove plastic clips. Start by opening the hood of your GX. There is a black plastic shroud right under the hood that will need to be removed in order to access the headlights. It is held in by these plastic clips, so grab your screwdriver and start popping. Once you have removed all of the plastic clips, the black shroud should come loose pretty easily. Looking down into the headlights, you can see that the high beams are the ones that are closest to the center of the car. Here you can see that we've already changed the low beams over to the LED models. We will need to move the washer fluid reservoir in order to reach the high beams. Here on the driver's side, you can see that there's a little more clearance with the high beam than there is the low beam, so there's no need to remove the battery in order to install the high beams. For filming purposes, I'm going to remove the shroud that covers the airbox. This is not a necessary step. To make it easier to remove the passenger side high beam, unclip the washer fluid reservoir from the radiator support and it should be able to move freely. Now let's unbox our LEDs. I was super impressed with the Auxito low beams that I put on the GX, so I decided to get a matching set for the high beams. They look to be exactly the same as the low beams outside of the harness connector. It features a black fan to dissipate heat, and in my experience so far, they've been very quiet in operation. I'm excited to give these a try, and I anticipate I'll like them just as much. Let's start with the passenger side. Grab the back of the bulb and twist it 45 degrees counterclockwise. Slide it straight back and the bulb should come out freely. To disconnect it from the wiring harness, push the tab on the bottom of the plug and gently pull the bulb housing out of the harness. Repeat these steps in reverse order to install the LED. Carefully feed the bulb into the headlight housing and turn it 45 degrees clockwise to lock it in place. Push the wiring harness plug onto the bottom of the bulb and you should feel it click. That's how you know it's secure. Next, let's move to the driver's side. There is just enough space between the back of the headlight housing and the battery to where you don't have to remove the battery in order to replace these. Same as the passenger side. Start by twisting the headlight bulb 45 degrees counterclockwise, and then it should slide straight out toward the battery. To disconnect it from the wiring harness, push on the bottom of the tab that's holding the bulb in place and the bulb should come away from the harness. To install the LED, gently feed it into the hole left by the halogen bulb and twist it 45 degrees clockwise. Reconnect the wiring harness and you're good to go. Make sure not to forget to snap the washer fluid reservoir back in place. Put the plastic shrouds back in place and replace all of the clips holding them in. Close the hood and turn on the high beams to verify that they work. When I turned these on, I could already tell a huge difference between the amount of light that was being given off by the LED versus the original halogen light. It's an enormous difference. The white color gives my headlights a far more modern appearance and should help me see much more clearly at night. Here in the dark you can see the difference between the colors of the LED versus the halogen light. The halogen gives off far less light, and as I back away from the wall here, you can see how much narrower the beam is compared to the LED. With the width of the beam that the LED light provides, you would be able to see hazards on the side of the road before they enter the roadway, such as deer or children or anybody that might be about to cross the street without looking. So just by changing to this plug-and-play kit, you get more visibility, a brighter color, and better safety and awareness when driving at night. In this driving footage, you can see the headlights in action. I was really impressed with how much farther down the road you can see with the high beams on versus when they're turned off. You can see roadway signs, you can see features on the side of the road, you can also see upcoming turns far sooner than if your high beams were off. I'm really impressed with the performance of these high beams, and it's exactly the upgrade that I was looking for when I changed out to LEDs. Watch this footage and have a look for yourself. You can really see the difference.